These events are really important for us. They're a good opportunity for us to bring partners together along with customers. It gives us a consolidated view of the marketplace. We take their feedback very seriously, and it's that which helps us drive future product direction. Version 9.1, which we released this afternoon, introduces new capabilities in terms of collaboration, in terms of wider data sources, and in terms of analytics. It's an exciting day for us, and I'm really looking forward to it.
In terms of venue, lovely. We were talking earlier that it's really nice venue, very nicely set out. There seems to be stakeholders from different industries, which is again positive to see how XLCubed is being used by other clients. Again, gives us confidence in terms of the tool and how widely it is being used.
From my point of view, from Solitwork's point of view, I think what everybody is looking for is self-service. And everybody is talking advanced analytics and data mining and all the advanced stuff, but in our world 99% of all what we do is getting the customers to be self-serviced, and I think that XLCubed is definitely the best way of helping our customers with being self-serviced. And I think that XLCubed is sent from heaven because it enables us to do what we really need to do in order to get Excel working as it should be.
We're come here today at the Royal Society in London to launch version 9.1. It's very exciting for us. There's lots of new functionality in there. We had such good feedback from our customers with version 9. Some of the features we introduced there we've extended, so things like pivot views now support hierarchies and custom calculations. So for me and the development team, it's great to be here today to meet our customers, to see our work that we do being used in the real world to solve some real world problems.
We use XLCubed on a daily basis, looking at our sales, all the way down to ISBN level for books, providing management reporting for the senior teams. It's different using XLCubed. We get a lot more visibility of the information we need to see. Previously we couldn't go down quite so far with the level of information we could provide, and XLCubed gives us that.
So for our customers, it's really important. They've got a mass of data pouring into the systems. It's competitive prices, it's volumes, it's market information, it's weather information, drive information, you name it, all of that data is pouring in. And for them, it's really important to be able to get that data out again and get it out in a usable format. There's no point just being able to pull the data out but not being able to do anything with it. So we have to be able to let them view it and present it in a way that makes sense in business context. And that's what our customers find XLCubed fantastic for. It translates a mass of complex data into really valuable business formats that they can make sense of.
Well, XLCubed helps us to build very rich reports. We are able to combine loads of data like sales data and activity data all together in one report, which is really useful for our clients. And we also use all those amazing functionalities like slices, viewports, drill down reports. We drill down from one report to another, and XLCubed is really good at it.
I'm keen on BI and good tools for the user because we have users with really complex needs, and XLCubed is really one of the products we appreciate because we can solve those needs and bring solution to the customer. And as you know, on the earth, 1 people out of 6 knows Excel and use Excel every day. So the good thing is that we keep in the environment they like and they work with every day, and we bring this BI things, BI data at their fingertips, and this is what they like the most.
We've been using XLCubed for 10 years now. Much of what we do is all around reporting and analytics, and what's useful for us is the quick and flexible nature of the functionality in XLCubed. We have to respond very quickly to our clients with lots of different reporting that ranges from very custom reports to standard built reports. We also use it internally for various levels of validation and quality.
Data is so important for our business. The banks that we work with and the financial services we work with, they need that data to understand why they're getting the results they're getting. We try and max the data out by combining loads of different data sets. We use XLCubed because it's such a flexible tool and it's really quick at getting the data out that we need. And ideally, banks need the data now. When they ask for a report, they need the report. It's not a case of waiting around. So yeah, massive thing for us. Data's huge, and realistically, if we're trying to tell a story, we need the data to be able to actually tell that story.
So it's really interesting being at the Royal Society today because I didn't realise some of the aspects that XLCubed has in terms of the OEM work. And I've been able to engage with some of the regional partners, especially from the continent, in the ways they're delivering and the ways they're engaging with XLCubed.
Some of the value of using our data is we actually go out to meetings, and although we'll have a set cut of data that we potentially want to talk to, the value that we can add is actually answering those questions on the spot, delving into the data and actually seeing what some of the drivers are. So I'm really excited about being able to use the interactive dashboards and sort of understood a bit more about that today, and I'm going to have a look and see how we can integrate that with our offering.